Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need rainbow and clear pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a long piece of string. And we're going to start with one end, and we're going to put on 3 pink beads. We're going to tie this. And on the other end, we'll put our needle on. Okay, and what we're going to do is go through this pink bead and this one. Okay, now we're going to add 3 orange, and we're going to take our needle and we're going to go through this pink. And now we're going to take our needle and go through these 2 orange. And you're going to want to pull that. We're going to add 3 yellow. This time we're going to go up the orange. And we're going to go through these 2 yellow. Pull that tight. We're going to add 3 green. We're going to go down this yellow. We'll take our needle and go up these 2 green. Pull it tight. We're going to add 3 blue. We're going to go up this green. Now we're going to go down these 2 blue. We're going to add 3 purple. We're going to go down this blue. And then we're going to go up these 2 purple. And this is what it looks like so far. Now we're back where we started with pink. 3 pink. We'll go up this purple. And down these 2 pink. Three orange. We'll go down this pink. And up these 2 orange. Okay guys, so you kind of get the idea of what we're doing here. I'm going to repeat this so I have 3 sets of rainbow. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I have my pattern completed here. Now we need to connect these ends. So you're going to take your needle and go through one side of the pink, and then you'll go up this side and through this purple. Okay, and we need to go through this purple bead right here. We're going to add on 2 clear, 1 purple, and 2 clear. We're going to take our needle and go down, across, and up. Okay, we're going to add 2 clear, a blue, and 2 clear. Going to do the same thing. We're going to go down, across, and up. Two clear, a green, 2 clear. We're going to go down, across, and up. Two clear, a yellow, 2 clear, down, across, and up. And you're going to want to pull your string tight too. So 2 clear, an orange, and 2 clear. We're going to go down, across, and up. Two clear, a pink, 2 clear. We'll go down, across, and up. Two clear, a purple, and 2 clear, and we'll go down, across, and up. Okay, this is what it looks like, or should look like. And we're just going to continue the pattern. So we started with the purple, so you're just going to repeat these colors after the purple. And then I'll show you how to tie it off. Okay guys, I'm at the end and I added my last beads right here. Now we're going to go down this purple, across, and up. And you can go ahead and tie it right here. I'm going to shorten the string a little bit to make it easier to tie. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. And this is just an afterthought. I was thinking that it would look super cute if you added special beads in place of these pony beads, the rainbow ones, like hearts or stars. Just a thought. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I'll see you next time.